So where are we?
I don't know the name of it. Marlin Splash, is that right?
Sailfish.
Sailfish, that would make a whole...
Sailfish.
Alliteration makes a whole lot more sense.
Sailfish Splash in Martin County.
That's why I was thinking Marlin. Martin County Sailfish Splash.
Yes. So we have come to Port St. Lucie to visit with Chris's parents. Hello. Hi.
Maybe it's right this window.
Now you can. You get the park as we go past. We traveled down. How long did it take us to get here again?
Less than we thought,
Mm-hmm.
because we didn't make the stops.
Mm-hmm.
I don't
remember either. So we spent today at the Martin County Sailfish Splash Waterpark. It also had 2 lap pools.
Like full-size lap pools.
Mm-hmm.
And diving boards.
Cool. Oh, we did see while we were waiting in line for
Yep.
the slides. We saw people practicing like dives, like real ones.
Like real flippy, twisty,
Yeah.
kind of, I don't even know what you call them.
I don't either.
Flippy, twisty dives.
They have all kinds of puddle jumpers. So when did it open?
It opened in 2012, which is why I don't remember it.
Well, you don't remember it? Oh, because you were in Orlando. We were
I
already
grew up
dating.
there, and I left in 2006.
Yeah, we started dating in 2007 in
Yeah.
Orlando. So it was pretty interesting when your mom suggested going to a water park.
Yeah, I was like, what water park? And she's like, I've been dying to go there forever. I'm like, what are you talking about?
And what is that?
It has 2 4-story slides. Which one did you like better?
Oh, I liked the dark tube one best.
Me as well, though that was always the shortest line.
It's a very big splash pad, and there's Malcolm going in right there. Very big splash pad. It has some slides. Yeah,
Yeah,
and a lazy river.
and a lazy river with splashy cones.
Splashy cones. Are we getting wet?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gonna hit a slide. I don't know about you.
All right, let's go.
All right.
Okay, cross your arms, cross your feet. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. Oh, it's so dark. Oh my goodness. 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 That was very dark. Oh my goodness. It was so dark.
It was good.
Oh my goodness. It was so dark. Like usually you could kind of see through the seams. It was pitch black.
It was pitch black, and there was some G-forces in those turns.
Oh my goodness.
right.
I felt like I was
Green.
going up for a second. Yeah. Woo.
I did not. I threw myself down the slide.
I did, but it wasn't where the kid got stuck. I got stuck farther down, and I was just laying there, so I had to like scoot all 4 limbs to get it going again. What'd you think?
I thought it was good, but I think the other one's
Oh,
better.
the other one's so much better. I think we'll be doing that several more times.
Yeah.
And first, why don't we see if they want to do the lazy river?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. Are you going to get sprayed? Hello. Beautiful day for a lazy river. Yes, It is a beautiful day for lazy river. Look out, Nana!
Now you're gonna get it.
Look out, Nana! Come along with it! Oh no! You're gonna run into Nana! Oh no! Push it! Do we go right or left? Oh, right is closed. Okay. Only one way to go. Only one way to go.
We got it.
So talk about a sunburn.
Yes. It's been a long time since I've been sunburnt to the point where I was tan underneath the peel.
What'd you guys think?
I enjoyed it.
Yeah,
It was
what
good.
was,
It was nice.
what was your favorite part?
I love the lazy river.
Mm-hmm.
I like the lazy river too.
Yeah.
Me too.
The lazy river was 1,000 feet, I think it was.
I don't know, but it
Well,
was.
we'll go with that.
But it was fun. Honestly, I would say I liked this lazy river better than the one at Typhoon Lagoon.
Oh, 100%. It was faster, which still lazy, but at least it felt like it had some movement.
Yeah.
Plus, it had some dumpy things. Did you like the dumpy things?
Oh, I was scared.
At first, you were. All right. High five.
But I am glad you guys got me to try the water slides. The water slides were fun.
Yes. I think the blue tube water slide was my favorite part.
Yes, I would agree with that.
I liked the open tube.
Ah. And you didn't go down them.
I did not.
No. Mal, you didn't go down them.
Yeah, because I was too scared.
That's okay.
That's all right.
It's a really small belly. They are quite large hot dogs. Chris, how was the tender?
We're good, actually.
Yeah. Mal, how's yours? What you like better, the pizza or the tender?
Pizza.
Pizza.
Mommy, may I have my pink lemonade?
Yes, baby. Thank you for asking so nicely. Be careful with two hands. We're kind of saying goodbye to your house, too.
Yeah, because you probably won't be here again.
Yeah, we're probably-
Hopefully, if all goes well.
They're moving up to Chattanooga.
Yeah.
Did I miss anything? I'm awfully tired.
That sounded like everything, but I'm also awfully tired.
We're looking forward to being near Malcolm.
Yes.
Are you looking forward to them coming, baby? Yeah. He's a spy right now.
I spy.
With my little eye.
Yes. All right. Well,
Why isn't this?
Is it not working?
we're going to leave very early in the morning. Where are we going tomorrow, baby?
To another water park.
To another water park. Yeah.
It's summer.
Typhoon Lagoon.
Typhoon
You're going
Lagoon.
to Disney World, aren't you?
So, yeah. End of day 2. Bye.
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 Bye. Hit subscribe if you want to watch the next video. Bye. This is the Stupid Spy Lab. 846-2.
Who is that now?
Nana and Papa.
Who's who?
Nana and Papa.
Can you
Hi.
see this?